Hello my beautiful friends, it's Rita. Welcome back on the Perfect Home channel. In today's video I will show you all the steps I do when I need to clean the bathroom in just 3, maximum 4 minutes. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and we are ready to start. Step number 1. Empty the trash bin. This operation will be faster if we leave a trash bag inside the basket. Step number 2. We spray a multi-purpose cleaner on all the sanitary ware. Step number 3. We leave a product inside the toilet and rub the interior surface. In this case I used an economic and ecological product that is sodium carbonate, we know as soda Solvay. Step number 4. We clean the mirror with a slightly wet microfiber cloth from top to bottom with this S-shaped movement. Then we repeat the same step with a dry cloth. Step number 5. We pass the cloth from left to right, over the shelf, inside the sink and on the faucet. Step number 6. Now let's move to the toilet. Following the cleaning sequences from the outside toward the inside, that is from the dirtiest to the least dirt, and fold the clothes several times on itself to use all the different facets. Step number 7. Now let's move to the bidet. Same cleaning sequences for the toilet, that means from the outside to the inside. Step number 8. Now it's time for cleaning the shower. A quick sweep on the doors and on the mixer. Step number 9. We dust the floor with the Swiffer to pick up hair and dirt. And finally, number 10. We wash the floor with a wet microfiber cloth.